Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use R1Works bearing installation and removal tool. As you can see here, this is what comes in the kit. I'm going to change out the front bearing and the rear bearing, and I'm going to replace it with the ceramic bearings that are offered by R1Works. So let's get to it. Now, to remove the front bearing, what I need to do is take these two components here, as you can see. Take the washer and the longest screw, like so, feed it through the hole like that, and then I'm going to thread this on here, like so. It can be tricky sometimes to get on, like so. There you go. Now, what I like to do is just simply use a wrench here to kind of speed up the process and get things out. So there you go. You hear the pop. And the bearing has been removed. Alright. As you can see there, it's removed. Nice and nicely done. And the bearing just falls out. Now, what I'm going to do next is go ahead with the rear section. Same thing. Slide that on. You could probably get away with using the shorter screw for this section here, but since I already have the washer on the screw, sorry for my hands moving around here. There you go. That pop there indicates it's come out. Now, these are new front end plates and rear end plates, so they're probably freshly pressed in the actual housing, so that's why you hear that pop. Maybe yours will not make that pop, but anyway. Let's move on to the ceramic bearings here. All right, now what we'll do is we're just going to place the bearing on like so. Now we're going to take this end plate here and the shorter screw. Where did my washer go? There we go, like so. Carefully place it on there like so. Place it on that. Alright. Now you want to be careful when you're working with ceramic bearings. Though they are strong, you just have to make sure that you get them seated nice and square. Alright, so once you get it close to the opening, just check to see if it looks square. Alright, it doesn't look too bad. Alright, just gently screw it in like so. If you find that the bearing is on too much of an angle, then you want to reset it again. And then as you're pushing it in, don't force it in, just let it stop under a gentle pressure. There you go. That side's done. And we're going to go with the next bearing here. Once again. Do the same thing. So as you can see here, the bearing is not positioned right. So what you need to do is just carefully get it lined up like so. As you can see there, everything looks good. If you're satisfied with its positioning, just gently screw it in, and then there we go. It goes in nice and smoothly, and we're done. And that is it. Very simple, very effective little tool. See there, we have both bearings installed. Nice and flush, and we're good to go. So there you have it, R1Works bearing tool for installation and removal. Simple, easy, and affordable. That's what we need in this hobby. So there you go. Bye-bye.